I'm walking up to the garden in front of our house where all of the peppers are because today I'm going to harvest all of our hot peppers so that I can make and can our own homemade hot sauce. Okay, here are all of the pepper plants. I'm watering them right now currently because it's so dry out. And here are the spicy peppers. We're gonna harvest all of the red ones on these plants, and there's a lot. And I do want to show how these pepper plants grow because it's kind of cool. They're kind of like butterfly bushes where they kind of grow and produce peppers in succession. So the plant grew to this height and it was one bush and it produced all these peppers. And then it grew out to this height and now it's producing all these peppers. And then I bet it's going to grow to even more height and produce more peppers. And it's just going to continue growing until the first frost kills it. And yes, I'm wearing gloves to harvest these and I'm not going to rub my eyes. This is going to take a little while because there are so many. All right, first plant is done and you can see how many green ones are still on there. So we're going to get a lot more, but this is what we got so far. Moving on to plant number 2. These are really gorgeous little peppers. It's kind of interesting how these things grow. Most of my pepper plants, I got a lot of them over here, the peppers grow down, but these actually grow upward. See how they're attached on the bottom? I have never grown a pepper plant that does that. It's interesting. Okay, got the second one picked clean. Again, there are tons of green peppers left. This is what we got. Now let's move on to the next. We're moving along. That one is done. Now we're on our last one. Let's get all these. And we're done. And this is what we got. Look at all these gorgeous spicy peppers. So excited. And I also picked a few overripe jalapeno peppers as well to put in there. Stay tuned because we're going to be making and canning homemade hot sauce next. Happy homesteading!